S710 Microtome operation video. Function. Firstly, complete all wiring connections. Then turn on the power. The system display enters the boot display. Automatically enter the main interface after the self-test. On the left side of the machine, there is a parameter knob and a coarse feed wheel. When on the main interface or the trim or section parameter interface, rotate the knob clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the currently selected parameter. We can select the mode by tapping on the screen, or clicking on the bottom off interface mode switch, and pressing the parameter knob to switch modes. By default, the coarse feed wheel rotates the specimen head clockwise for move forwards, and rotates the specimen head counterclockwise for backward movement. There are two types of handwheel locks, the 12 o'clock handwheel lock and the handwheel lock at any position. 12 o'clock handwheel lock. The position indicated by the triangle symbol is the lock of the handwheel lock. It only locks when you rotate the handwheel to 12 o'clock. Handwheel lock for any position. The handwheel could be locked when enable this lock at any position. In the center of the main interface, there are two rows of displayed parameter values for trim thickness parameter and the section thickness parameter. Click the trim thickness or section thickness on the main interface to enter parameter setting, where you can set the thickness. The thickness of the trim range is 1 to 800 micrometers. The section range is 0.5 to 100 micrometers. Click Feed on the main interface to enter following feed setting interface. There are two modes: feed or withdraw stepwisely and feed or withdraw quickly. The remaining feed range is displayed in real time on the screen. Press the feed or withdraw stepwisely mode. It based on the currently activated trim or section thickness value. Press key once to go further. A long press on the key will calculate the distance according to the time at a speed of 300 micrometers per second. Press the feed or withdraw quickly mode. The specimen clamp quickly go to the blade position at a speed of 900 micrometers per second. Press the home key. Specimen clamp automatically return to origin. Press the memory key. It can set the current feed position to be the default feed position. Press the go to key. Specimen clamp feed from the current position to the memory position. When the rock mode is enabled, there is no need to rotate the hand wheel in the whole circle, as long as the hand wheel changes direction at a small angle, within the range of 12 to 6 and 9 to 12. The system will automatically feed or withdraw by detecting the change in the rotation direction of the hand wheel. In the lower left corner of the main interface is the trim or section switch. Press on it to switch between block trim and section modes. Click to switch three parameters in turns, for example the section thickness sum, section counter, remaining feed range. Click Menu on the main interface to enter following menu interface. The menu interface includes parameter settings, time edit, system settings, history, system maintenance, and standby. Click Parameter Settings. Retraction parameter values can be set. When the retraction function is on, the corresponding icon will appear in the main interface. If the retraction function is enabled, the system will retract the specimen head. After trimming or sectioning, which can effectively protect the tool holder assembly and specimen head, avoiding the collision of the two when the sample head rises. The system default retraction distance is 40 micrometers. It is recommended to set the retraction distance to 20 to 40 micrometers. The counter and thickness sum can be checked in this interface, and click the corresponding reset counter and reset thickness could reset the values. Click button to enable or disable the alarm tone for retraction, cutting, and feeding. In the time and date, you can edit how the time and date are displayed. In settings, here you can set brightness, standby duration, course feed wheel speed, system language, and so on. Course feed wheel speed setting range, 1 to 14 gears. Direction adjustment, feeding while rotating the handwheel clockwise, or feeding while rotating the handwheel counterclockwise. In history, all alarm logs and all operation logs can be viewed and exported on this interface. Plug the USB flash drive into the USB port, export the data according to the prompts on the screen. In standby mode, the brightness of the display will be reduced to the lowest level, and the user can touch the screen to restore the normal brightness. Maintenance. Close the dust cover after the Microtome has been used. Cleaning.